friends, I'm your travel girl Sneha. We are in Hampi for 3 days 2 night tour and I will show you our journey and experience of day 1, day 2 and day 3 in 3 separate videos. So don't forget to watch the entire Hampi series. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. Hope you enjoyed our last day's video of Hyderabad to Hampi road trip and few sightseeing near the Anjanadri hills. Today we are visiting Hampi's popular sightseeing places. We started our journey around 9 am in the morning. We crossed the Tungabhadra river and reached Kamalapur to start today's day by visiting Lotus Mahal sites. We hired a guide from Lotus Mahal site. Our guide Mr. Kumar charged us 1800 and promised to give us tour of popular site of Hampi for the entire day. I will provide his contact number in description.
Vijayanagara Hampi में total monument is 83 monument. 83. Yes, the 4 days and 3 days is program. But 1 day is program, just major point.
Hey friends, so we are in Lotus Mahal, Elephant Temple and Ranga Temple. You can see that board, okay? We are going first to the Lotus Temple and let's go.
The Lotus Mahal site is quite big with open grounds, beautifully maintained. The palace is built in the Zanana enclosure and was reserved for the royal women of the Vijayanagara Empire.
So now we are in front of the Lotus Mahal. It's so beautiful. I will give you some fact which I came to know. So here 2 queens of the king. That is a Vijayanagar dynasty, that time of period. Okay? And they, that time automatic pump system was there. You can see that well. So from there is a pipe. It was fixed to that mahal. And from there it come inside the water. It's not, nobody is bringing the water or trying. Queen security. Here no man is allowed except the king. And only units are allowed for the guard. Telani Raman, he is a person who is sitting on the tomb and writing the poem and also check the security of this palace.
The king Krishnadeva Raya also used it as his council chamber for meeting with his ministers. Next we went to Elephant Stable. This Elephant Stable in Hampi is one of the finest example of Indo-Islamic style of architecture. The Elephant Stable is a long building with a rectangular shape. The building has a row of 11 huge dome chambers. Each chamber is large enough to accommodate 2 elephants at a time.
So now we are just in front of the elephant stable. This is a stable of 11 elephants. This is during the 14th century and you can see that side, the ornament, they kept it there along with the person who is taking care, they are residing in that place.
King's favorite elephant named Balakrishna was kept in the center dome.
Come quick and we see Vivan and now in the stable. Oh, from one to another they can pass. Vivan is playing now with beautiful. Elephant can also see each other from this whole. They can also pass through it.
Next we headed toward Royal Enclosure. Here Dasara festival is celebrated and also a spectacular black stone stepwell is there.
Dasara, Mahanavami, Dasara, Diba is platform.
Okay.
ऊपर 180 चंदन लगड़ी रहता है। बीजापुर बम्मानी सुल्तान इधर अटैक करे टाइम में काली प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता मैडम। जला दिए टाइम में काली प्लेटफॉर्म। सेंटर में एक सिंहासन रहता पब्लिक देखने की। कॉमन पीपल entrance, ladies and gents, other side entrance. Royal family. फिल्म देखे बाहुबली पिक्चर देखे वो हीरोइन का ऊपर एक प्रभा सा टाटू था देखो ये वाला snake is coming inside
ये बाहुबली मूवी में भी इसका ही टैटू है
The Mahanavami Dibba is one of the most noteworthy structures found the ruin in Hampi. It is a pyramidal platform that was vital to the Dasera celebration observed during the Vijayanagara Empire. The main attraction of the high platform is its decorative carvings of elephant, horses, soldiers and stately positions.
Is it a plate?
yes
Oh, see, it's a stone plate.
just
And ये क्या है?
just सुनो मैडम
Oh, wow. Oh, it's nice. Wow.
पुष्करणी स्टफ टैंक स्टफ टैंक बट ये मिले 1984 1986 में मिलता है मैडम
The step tank is an elaborate tank which was used for ceremonial purposes of the royal household. It is a 5-tiered tank and each tier comprises of a few steps. The tanks now store rainwater.
Okay.
Next we visited Queen's Bath. The Queen's Bath is believed to be constructed by Achyuta Raya for the women of the royal family of Vijayanagara. Though the name as the Queen's Bath, it was in all probability used as the private bathing chamber of the king and his queens. It is also believed that the lavish bath was a royal pleasure complex. This belief is due to the location of the bath, which is outside the royal enclosure. Virupaksha temple is the main center of pilgrimage at Hampi and had been considered the most sacred sanctuary over the centuries and is still used in worship. This temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva, known as here as Virupaksha. If you want to worship, puja samagri is available near the temple premises. You can also get the blessing from temple elephant named Lakshmi by giving 10 rupees. The temple continues to prosper and attracts huge crowds for the marriage festives of Virupaksha and Pompa Devi in December. In the month of February, the annual chariot festival is celebrated here every year. Just beside the temple, there is facility for Coracle boat ride. But before that, we had coconut water and raw mangoes for our refreshment. You can also check out stone carving souvenir from the local vendor along the way.
The boat I just love. I'm just waiting for. Here is 500 per person for half an hour and 1000 rupees for 1 hour per person. So please wear your life jacket and go to that place only where they will provide life jacket. It's best thing.
There are a couple of temples on the side of the river which you can visit if you book for 1 hour rides, which is 1000 per person. The Coracle service is closed from the month of August to November due to heavy flow of river water and resume again from December 1st.
3 month यहाँ पे कोरेकल नहीं होते. कौन से 3 month? अगस्त,
They will spin the boat in circular motion, which was quite exciting. As the water level was low, we could fit under this rock to rest for a moment.
it will really awesome. हाँ बहुत अच्छा है ये. हम लोग और कहीं नहीं जा सकते. बर्ड नेस्ट है ये.
Then we came back to the shore after our 30 minutes awesome Coracle experience. This is the largest statue in Hampi. Narsimha, which means half man and half lion, is one of the 10 incarnations of Lord Vishnu. It is 6.7 meter in height. Has the Lord sitting across leg position on the coil of a giant 7-headed snake, Adishesha. Originally, the statue also had goddess Lakshmi sitting on Lord's lap. But according to history, it was vandalized and damaged in the year 1565. Just beside this temple, there is 3-meter high large Shivalinga known as Varavilinga temple, which is carved out of single rock and placed in bed of water. We were very hungry and went to this local restaurant to have our lunch. The sitting arrangement was quite amazing, where you can sit on the floor or on chair as well. We ordered special veg thali. There were variety of veg food items and the food was really tasty. After a heavy lunch, we went for shopping in Karnataka Government Handloom Shop, which is near the Kamalapur bus stand.
ये 990
990 1000 में आ रहा है.
ये सब बनाना यूनिक डिजाइन यहाँ का.
The specialty of this place is banana stem silk sari. You can check out other items like sandalwood, perfume, talc powder and incense stick or agarbatti.
ये कितना है?
248.
248.
You should definitely visit this shop in Kamalapur to check local items and souvenir of Hampi.
इसको क्या करना होता है? धोना है.
15 मिनट ऐसे रख देने का. टेस्ट पैक पे.
Our last destination was Vittala temple. This famous temple is depicted in the Indian 50 rupees note. You can take a buggy or electric car to reach the temple complex. On the way to temple, you can view the Anjanadri hills, the birthplace of Hanumanji, which we will visit tomorrow. And you can see Pushkarni, 13th century road, places for horse and other animals trading. It will take just 3 minutes to reach the temple by electric car. The musical pillar, stone chariot and the Mahamandap are the main attraction here. The musical pillars of the Ranga Mandapa is renowned for its 56 musical pillars. If you tap the pillar gently, you can hear the musical note from the pillar.
But it गिर गया the 14th and 15th century. But इधर आए देखो ऐसे हैंगर में. But इधर आए देखो छोटा छोटा मूर्ति. But इधर आए देखो एक स्टोन में 16 पिलर्स सारी गमा पदानिसा निसारी. इसका एक नाम आता संगीता मंटपा.
Every main pillar is surrounded by 7 minor pillars. These 7 pillars emit 7 different musical notes from different musical instruments. The Vittala temple complex has the richly sculpted stone chariot, which is considered to be the most stunning architecture of the Vijayanagara kingdom. The picture of this stone chariot you can find in 50 rupees Indian note. The stone chariot of Vittala temple has been designed in the shape of an ornamental chariot dedicated to Garuda, who is the carrier of Lord Vishnu. The Mahamandapa or main hall of the Vittala temple is situated in the inner courtyard of the temple complex. It is a structure of immense beauty and is situated on a highly ornate base. There are 40 pillars in the temple. Each pillar has a height of 10 feet and the pillars are beautifully sculptured of Narasimha and Yali. And to end this wonderful day, visit Hemkunta Hills to view the spectacular sunset. Then we went back to our resort and had our dinner. Tomorrow we will go to Anjana Hills early morning. So stay tuned for our next video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you.